I need that. She's a little bad hoe. I got her texting me. My phone. She only asks for loyalty. On my phone. Shit, she could get it from me. Keeps it back.
I don't know what we're going through. I think this is the Arizona state border.
We're in one of these states. I know Arizona's right here next to us. Looks like some Arizona stuff.
It looks like some Arizona stuff. That looks like Arizona over there. I'm pretty
Wait
sure.
a second. Where are we? I don't
know. I don't think this is a border at all.
Because there's Celine Dion's house and all that.
Yeah, it's a bit in the middle of nowhere.
Yeah. It's called Lake Las Vegas. That's like where we live though, but we live more.
It's on the like backside of
He's
here.
gonna tell us we're going the wrong way. Watch this.
Vehicle. Where's that?
We're just trying to go to Hoover Dam. Go Fiesta and take the freeway down.
Right, and it's about 28 miles all the way back around, and that's give or take if the traffic is backed up.
Pay her $20. She's finessed it. Is it really 28 miles? Because that's like all the way where the strip is. And we live right here in Lake Las Vegas.
Oh, do you?
Yeah, so
You live here?
yeah, we live in Lake Las Vegas.
So you didn't want to buy a $40 beer pass? Like get you in all year?
Trying to get you for more money.
Oh shit. I don't know. This we don't ever come on this side. We usually just go from our dock.
Why would you pay to go up there?
Yeah.
Hey, big keys. Ice chain, ice ring, ice chest. Look, my earrings is the Hey, big keys. Hey, I don't know I'm gone. But I've been thinking I'm the chosen kid. Right around Murcielago with. How big is it? I don't know where my mind is. I done lost my mind and shit. I've been thinking foreign whips and some foreign shit. I done think I lost my mind in grips. I'm counting money, I done love to count the hundreds.
What's up, guys? Right now we are going to the Hoover Dam. It's Couture's first trip there. Have you guys been there?
My first trip there too, my last.
First and last. She's really scared of this. We're on the high curvy roads right now, over 10,000 feet up.
Oh my gosh, thanks Ron.
Oh, and so it's okay though. We'll get by it. We'll get through. I think this is a goddamn. So before you get here, there's a checkpoint to make sure you don't have no bombs or anything on your car going over the dam, because the dam serves electricity for the whole state of Colorado and Nevada. That guy's going through a secondary check because his box in his backyard. So we're here at the Hoover Dam reclamation site, which yep. Which means that all the water that the dam is holding up is all of Las Vegas's and all around southern Nevada is sewage, which is all kinds of nasty water. It'd be more threatening to jump in the dam than to fall off of it, because you get all kinds of diseases and turn into an X-Man in that water, basically. But we're here coming up to the parking, and we'll be able to show you guys the dam. So on today's show, we're in southern Nevada, and the Nevada state animal is one of these things right here. I'm gonna stay real far away. They're called the longhorn elkhorn looking thing. Now, we don't want to get too close, but we want you guys to be able to see them eat. This one's shitting kibbles and bits out his ass right now. He's eating and shitting at the same time. This one. There's the rest of the gang here. I work for the Nevada Preservation of Wildlife. You're gonna get hit in your little cheap ass car. Why does people always gotta get in people's business? I will never touch one. They're all pooping. Alright, that's pretty cool though. They're only really out here in Nevada. You might find some in Arizona, but they're mainly like a Nevada thing. I'm at the Mike O'Callahan and Mike Tillman. I'm at the Mike O'Callahan and Pat Tillman. I'm at the Mike O'Callahan and Pat Tillman Memorial Bridge. Now what you guys don't know about this bridge is it's a lot of Illuminati stuff going on here. I don't know if you guys know about the Illuminati, but the Illuminati's real. And they built this here with their fucking hands. Carved it out. But you guys don't know this is a triangle species right here. You guys come here and you bring your candles late at night and bring a Ouija board and you sit right here, you could definitely call some real spirits. So, and they let you know about, they have some of these all over the world. That's one of them right there. They have it, but that's the new sky bridge that we're about to get on. So that way you guys could see it's a memorial bridge they built right here where you're able to actually view the Hoover Dam. People drive over, people are always used to be able to stand right here. And you could be in Nevada or in Arizona at the same time. Come right there in the center. Oh my gosh, come on Cuckoo, you got all those blankets on, girl. Dang, you look cute. Getting phone calls at this time. Cal Newman. At this time? Hello? Who is this? As you see here, this is one of the guardians for the Illuminati that they put here at the they call it to protect the palace. What you guys don't know is you didn't see the vision. So I'm walking through here, a lot of rocks, a lot of fences holding the little rocks so they don't fall and break our damn faces. But there's more signs here, and the signs are just nothing but secret lies, which is not true. So I'm over here, walking through, look. Welcome to my hood, Nevada, that's where I'm from. Welcome to Nevada, the Silver State, home of M to the K. They dedicated it after a football player and another guy in Vegas at school, a middle school principal. There's a few rules on the bridge. Do not drop objects from the bridge. Dropped objects can kill. Do not climb on the hillsides, walls, railings. No children allowed on the bridge without supervision. Enter at your own risk. No exit at the end of the walkway. Emergency telephone number 911. Okay. Oh, this is it. We're actually on it. All these people travel from all over the world to come look at this bridge right here. Those people are straight out of Argentina. Little bird nest. Oh, that's death. That's a death fall. You will die if you guys ever looked over that damn edge and went over. So, I can see the Hoover Dam now. And we are actually on the Memorial Bridge now, which is just already 10 to 20,000 feet above sea level. This is very scary. We're about 6 miles up in the sky. That right there is the Hoover Dam. Now, what you guys don't know about this bridge is that its actual length is 1,905 feet, and the bridge's width is 88 feet wide from right to left, with traffic that flies left and right above it. And the roadway height of the river is above 880 feet, and the dimensions, I don't care about that shit, but they use about 30 million, fuck that, who cares? Another thing they don't want you guys to know is the water problem. Now, we've been losing a lot of water. I don't know if you've seen the global climate changes all over the world, but even here you could see in the rock the difference in the color scale. You'll see some of the rock is very white, and then some of the rocks are very dark, and that was where the old water level used to be at. And as you know, it is sea level water and it is salted water, so that's how you can see the rocks are all white. So guys, we're about 2 miles up. Let me know if would you rather fall straight into the rocks or would you rather fall straight into the water? What would you rather do? And we're way above the Hoover Dam. We're about 17 times higher than it right now. If you guys know what year the Hoover Dam was built, leave it in a comment below. Let us know. That's the Hoover Dam.
Where do the seals come?
Huh?
Seals.
Seals.
Yeah. Seals.
Oh, there's no seals here. What?
I've seen pictures of someone.
There's no seals here. This is Lake Mead and Colorado River. They do not have no ocean animals. They only have trout and catfish. Well, this is still salt water and mixed with sewage. This is an electrical dam. It's all electricity make. Yeah, the biggest fish you're gonna have is a fish, like catfish. Absolutely no seals. Look at that dam down there. 80 years old, people. This dam is 80 years old. I cannot believe it. It's just mind-boggling. Now, what you guys don't know about the dam is the reservoir behind it is Lake Mead, which is about 28 million acres, and the widespread of water is all Nevada sewage that it holds. The Hoover Dam, once known as the Boulder Dam, when they first made it, it wasn't called the Hoover Dam. It was called the Boulder Dam, Boulder City's dam. And it's a concrete arc gravity dam. The Black Canyon of the Colorado River is on its border between Arizona and Nevada. Construction began in 1931 and it was finished in 1936 during the Great Depression. And it was dedicated on September 30th, 1935 by President Franklin D. Roosevelt. Over 100 lives lost right here at this dam. The dam was controversially named after President Herbert Hoover. So now basically you can create electricity here. It powers up all the casinos in Las Vegas, all the bright lights of Las Vegas, and it's pretty cool. Whoa, whoa, plague of birds, plague of birds. Oh my goodness. All them shitty ass pigeons. You don't want to breathe the air after they just flapped everywhere. So right now I'm going to a smoke shop. I need to go to a smoke shop to get some more backwoods because I was fucking smoking with my weed.
Hey, icy chain of iceberg with a frost. Got a motherfucking chicken in the room, nigga. I got that motherfucking draperies coming soon, nigga.